What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the long-term review of iOS 18.3. In specific video, I'm going to talk about the battery life that I am using from last couple of days. I will also show the battery draining graph, and I will also show that how I fix the battery draining. So this is going to be a cool video and very useful video for you. So let's begin. So now I'm going to into settings over here, and we will see the battery draining, actually battery graph. So let the battery starts load last 10 days. So this is how the phone is going on. My SIM is on this network, and this I'm using this phone a lot these days. I will start from this day where I used like around 80% of my device according to this graph, and I got 3 hours and 45-minute screen on time. Actually, let me bring it closer to you. As you can see the graph, almost 80% and 3 hours 45 minute. During this time I use Instagram camera, another app that I deleted, and some other applications. Now moving to the another day where I again used around 80%, and this time battery life is insane. As you can see, 5 hours and 32-minute screen on time, which is really good. Again, Instagram, Spotify, YouTube, Threads, and some other applications, which is really nice. Now over here I used bit of my iPhone, maybe like 65%. I didn't use much. So yeah, very less screen on time. As you can see, on this day I use my phone a lot. Actually, I use more than 100%. I use like 120%, I guess. So 5 hours of screen on time, decent, as it is iPhone 10s, very old device. And over here I use uh around 85%. I got 3 hours and 7 minutes screen on time. Now as you can see, there is a lot of different. On this day I got 5 hours plus. On this day I got very less. Now on the days where I'm using camera a lot, the battery life is slightly lower. On the day where I'm not into camera and some other applications, the battery life is really good. Actually, if I conclude the battery life of iOS 18.3 throughout these days, I am very happy. I'm glad it is a lot improved. You may be seeing that time is not that good, but actually in usage it is very improved. And especially if I talk about the battery draining over here, that is completely fixed. There is no battery draining at all. Now you can see a straight line over here, not a single drop overnight. As you can see, not a single drop overnight. So yeah, I'm very happy with the battery life. I'm very happy that battery draining is also fixed here. I am not seeing any sort of issue. So yeah, 18.3 seems really good. Now I know there are people who are facing issue with the 18.3. I'm getting a lot of comments specifically for the people who are using latest iPhone, especially iPhone 15 Pro. They are facing issue with the battery draining. But for the older iPhone, it seems Apple did a really good job. This is easily the best update when it comes to the battery life for the older iPhone. So I'm very much happy about this one. And yeah, this is really great. Now, if you are facing any sort of battery draining, I want to show you what I did. You can also follow these steps. So what you can do is, like, if you go to privacy and security over here and go to the motion and fitness over here, if you're not into fitness tracking, you will turn it off, because when it is turned on, it is continuously running sensors in the background to track your motion, and this is consuming a lot of battery even when you're not using your device. So you can just turn it off to like save a lot of your battery life. From here you can also go down over here. Now, journaling suggestion is some of the things. As you can see, it also like tracks your activity, media, contacts, photos, significant locations, state of mind. So it is also consuming a lot of battery if you have turned these things on. So as you can see, for me they are off. You can also turn them off to get a much better battery draining. Now over here, go to the Apple advertising, turn this off to analytics and improvement, turn this off too. Now these things can help you to get a much better battery life. And if I go a bit further over here, like there are a lot more things you can do. You can customize your location services over here. Never use always option, always use while using the app or never. These are the best ways to like save the battery, because if you use always, uh, it is not there. If you use, it is also not there. Anyways, if you use always option, it will be using location every single time, like 24 hour it is using location, and that will be burning the battery life. So it is a much better that you don't use always option. Go for the while using the app, it can help you a lot. So these are some of the things that you can do to improve the battery life. So in this video, I share the battery life, I share the battery draining, and some of the solutions that can help to fix the battery life. Personally, I am really happy with the iOS 18.3, and I'm also waiting for the 18.4 beta 1. But I really want Apple to, take this performance into the 18.4. Apple, please don't ruin this performance for the 18.4 or any other upcoming update. Well, this is all from this video, and I hope to catch you in my next video very, very soon. Until that, take care. Peace out.